Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Apple is dropping sharply 2.67% right now. It is a very sharp drop. Will it recover from here or will it keep dropping? Let's try to answer these questions in this video. Just remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day updating you guys on Tesla, Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and many other stocks using technical analysis and price action to understand this crazy market. Right now, Apple is not necessarily a buy. It's not an interesting stock to trade, but it could offer us a very nice opportunity soon. Year to date, Apple is dropping, I think, more than 10%, while our weekly portfolio is going up roughly 14%. Consider subscribing or trading newsletter. Check our website. Every single one of my past trades are here. My performance is public. I have absolutely nothing to hide because I'm very confident on my own trading strategy. And if you want to trade with me, consider subscribing or trading newsletter. We have a brutal track record, an amazing track record. Seriously, I think you like our services. Now, back to Apple. In my humble opinion, Apple is not a buy right now. Yesterday, it gave us a very nice bullish candlestick pattern. However, today, Apple is trying to frustrate the bullish structure and we don't see any crystal clear buy right now. I mean, yesterday, we see, what is the name of this candlestick pattern, my friends? This is called hammer candlestick pattern, okay? It did a hammer, however, the hammer was not triggered. So, meaning Apple didn't break the hammer's high. We could not break yesterday's high today, so the hammer was not triggered and we are dropping sharply. So, this bullish structure was kind of frustrated for now, but I think there's still hope for it to recover. I don't believe it is a very nice opportunity to short right now. The opportunity to short was up here, okay, when it was around 178. I think that was a very nice opportunity to short. Anything below that, it's not worth it to me. But right now, I think it could give us a very nice opportunity to buy. However, it didn't trigger anything yet, okay? So far, Apple is still bearish. I don't see any crystal clear bullish structure. However, if in the 1 hour chart, Apple holds at this support level, and if we break this little top over here, 163.16, if it breaks this red line up here, it's going to trigger a very nice bullish structure, call it double bottom chart pattern. If this happens, Apple has decent chances of recovery and the next target on it will be 171. What's more, we have an open gap at 174, which I believe it's going to be filled if this happens over here, if this scenario materializes. So Apple has everything to turn bullish again. However, it must break 163.16 first. If this happens, it's going to trigger the double bottom chart pattern. We are going to break the 21 exponential moving average in the 1 hour chart as well. And for the first time since it started the bearish momentum, we're going to do a very crystal clear bullish structure. So I think that's our lead. What's more, if we analyze the indices, the S&P is quite close to its support level in the weekly chart. In the daily chart, we see that it is holding at yesterday's low as well, just like Apple. And just like Apple, we have a similar structure. We have a possible double bottom chart pattern. However, in this case, the trigger point is 42.99. If we trigger this double bottom, probably Apple will follow the S&P and it will turn bullish as well. The S&P has a crystal clear target at 45.21, this black line up here. I firmly believe it's going to hit this target if we trigger this double bottom chart pattern. The Nasdaq is not doing this pattern right now at this moment. However, the Nasdaq just hit its support level in the daily chart today. The black line at 12,576 points. It just hit this point and right now it is trying to react. If this reaction confirms, I think it will help us, or it will help our bullish thesis on Apple for the short and midterm. And again, Apple could easily retest higher levels, and the 174 is the main target for us. But what if the indices frustrate their bullish structure? What if they lose their support levels, the Nasdaq loses its support level? What will happen with Apple from here? Well, Apple would probably lose this support level at 158, and in this case we have no other meaningful support level until 150. That's the most important support level. I don't believe Apple will hit this price level again, okay? I am not working with that scenario, but I am happily working with a bullish scenario on Apple as long as it breaks 163.16, okay? That's the most important breakpoint for Apple in the short mid-term. In the weekly chart, if we analyze the long term, Apple has been dropping for 4 weeks right now, but see how the volume is very, very low. This volume is simply pathetic. So it is not dropping because people are selling Apple, investors are selling Apple. Instead, it feels like investors are just cautious. They are just nervous and afraid, and they don't want exposure to the markets right now. So it is the lack of money that is making Apple drop, not people actually shorting it, aggressively selling Apple because they believe Apple will crash and it's worth nothing. No, that's not the case. Apple, it is still a great company and it is still in a bull trend in the long term. However, it feels like investors are just afraid, they are just nervous. And when we see a good stock, fundamentally good stock, dropping, it just means that we can buy this company at a discount, at a cheaper price, only because the entire stock market is dropping. Today the market is dropping mostly because of Google and Microsoft's earnings, instead of actually a real reason to drop. Of course, we do have inflation, we do have interest rates and etc. But it feels like the market is already trying to work with that, and these catalysts are going to be quickly priced from here. In my humble opinion, this is why I am more optimistic than bearish on Apple right now. I am neutral, I don't have any positions on Apple, but I think it's more interesting to buy it than to short it if it breaks 163.16. That's the most important key point for us for the short midterm. I will keep you guys updated on this. Remember, my friends, subscribe at this channel, subscribe at my trading newsletter if you want to become a consistent swing trader that can make money consistently in this market. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.